and we're gonna get started. On the right hand side, I can basically select different voices and also the model I'm gonna be using. I'm actually not gonna change much of this, to be honest, and I'm definitely going to keep the style exaggeration at 0 as much as possible. I'll be able to play with these once I've actually created a first version of the story. However, I'm gonna generate a first text and then we're going to start working with that text. Okay, so let's see what this actually sounds like out of the gate.
My friends, we are living in a wild world. There are 3 technologies that allow non-technical people to build multi-million-dollar businesses alone. The first one is AI coding. Platforms like Bolt or Lovable allow you to build websites and apps in hours instead of weeks.
Not a fan. This is so AI. So let's see how we can actually fix some of this. First of all, we are going to start accentuating specific things. So basically putting commas and full stops and pauses. So here I'm gonna put a little pause. I'm gonna capitalize wild because this is gonna be my friends. I'm gonna put a comma here. I'm gonna put we're living in a wild world. There are 3 technologies. I'm gonna make this caps. Alone. So let's just see how the beginning of the sentence already looks now.
My friends, we're living in a wild world. There are 3 technologies that allow non-technical people to build multi-million-dollar businesses alone. The first one is AI coding. Platforms like
Okay,
Bolt or
that's starting to get a little bit better. ... Okay, let's see what that sounds like now.
My friends, we're living in a wild world. There are 3 technologies that allow non-technical people to build multi-million-dollar businesses alone. The first one is AI coding. Platforms like Bolt or Lovable allow you to build websites and apps in hours instead of weeks.
Now I'm going to change a little bit some of these settings until I really feel like it sounds more familial, and I simply just have to play around with these and test it out. So I'm gonna give you the finished product. You're gonna see a little time lapse. Okay, so I've tweaked a couple of these things here. One of the things I did is exclamation of friends. I adapted some of these. I made it go a little faster because a lot of you complain that I speak very quickly. And so I kind of like the faster pace here. If not, I'm gonna put you on 2x speed. And after just a little bit of tweaking, and again, this is the free version. Again, I'm just using my free characters that I have here. I'm going to go ahead and generate this speech. And then I'm going to play it and look at the difference.
My friends, we're living in a wild world. There are 3 technologies that allow non-technical people to build multi-million-dollar businesses alone.